Have you ever wondered if the world around you is real? What if everything is just code running in some advanced computer? Sounds like sci-fi, right? But modern physics makes this idea less crazy. Welcome back to Edgeverse. Today, we're diving into Beyond the Matrix, reality's illusion in modern physics. This is a mind-bending ride through ideas that challenge everything we know about existence. We'll explore the simulation hypothesis, quantum weirdness, relativity, the holographic principle, and consciousness. By the end, you might question if you're a player or an NPC. Hit like and subscribe for more brain twisters. Let's jump in. First, let's set the stage. For centuries, the universe was seen as a predictable clockwork machine. Newton established absolute space and time, with everything deterministic. But the 20th century brought relativity and quantum mechanics, blowing it all up. Space bends, time slows, particles act like ghosts. Now, with AI exploding, philosophers like Nick Bostrom ask, are we in a simulation? Let's start with the simulation hypothesis. Advanced civilizations could create hyper-realistic simulations of their ancestors, us. Bostrom's 2003 paper presents a trilemma. Either civilizations go extinct, don't bother with sims, or we're probably in one. If one post-human society runs billions of simulations, statistically, we're more likely simulated than real. You're probably code. Our tech is catching up with VR, AI, and games like No Man's Sky. Moore's law keeps doubling computing power. Could we spot glitches? The Planck length, the tiniest scale, might be the Sim's pixel size. The speed of light could be the CPU's limit. Cosmic ray cutoffs might hint at a digital grid. It's tantalizing. What do you think? Would you want to know if this is a sim? Speaking of glitches, quantum mechanics is the ultimate reality hacker. Everything's probabilistic until you look. In the double-slit experiment, unobserved electrons act like waves, interfering and making patterns. But measure which slit? They become particles, no interference. Reality seems to wait for an audience. This is the observer effect. Your measurement collapses the wave function from maybe this to definite. Delayed choice experiments show you can decide to measure after the electron passes, retroactively changing its behavior. Almost like time travel. Then there's entanglement. Two particles linked, measure one. The other instantly reacts, even across the galaxy. Einstein called it spooky action. The universe is connected in ways space shouldn't allow. The many worlds interpretation says every possibility branches into a new universe. Measure the left slit. A U in another world sees right. Infinite U's, infinite paths. Our reality is just one slice of a multiverse pie. If every choice splits the world, does free will even matter? Now, let's zoom out to Einstein's relativity. Absolute space and time are gone, fused into space-time, a flexible fabric. Gravity isn't a force, but curves in that fabric. Drop a star on a trampoline, planets roll along the dips. Special relativity adds twists. Go fast, time slows for you, time dilation. GPS satellites tick slower, we adjust, or navigation fails. Length contracts too, moving objects shrink. It's all relative to your frame. No universal now. Reality depends on where and how fast you're standing. Black holes crush space-time into a singularity, breaking laws. Event horizons trap light. Falling stuff freezes forever. The cosmic horizon hides distant galaxies. Our observable universe is just a bubble. Makes you feel small, huh? Enter the holographic principle. What if our 3D world is a projection from a 2D surface? Black hole math backs it. Hawking and Bekenstein found black hole entropy scales with surface area, not volume, like a hologram. Our universe's info is encoded on its boundary. The 3D we see emerges from that flat code, like video games from disk data. This resolves the info paradox. Hawking radiation leaks black hole data without loss. If true, we're living in a cosmic projection. Info is king. Finally, consciousness. Quantum needs observers to collapse reality. Who counts? A machine? Or does it take a mind? Wigner said only conscious awareness does it. Wheeler's participatory universe. We retroactively shape the past by observing. We're co-creators. Integrated information theory quantifies consciousness as phi, how much info a system integrates. Brain score high. Lo-fi? Like a camera, it processes but doesn't feel. This hints at panpsychism, consciousness everywhere, in degrees. Not just brains, maybe AI, quantum systems. If reality's info-based, consciousness is fundamental. These ideas converge on two shifts: info over matter, and observers entangled in the fabric. Challenges remain. Some theories aren't fully testable. Relativity clashes with quantum. We need quantum gravity. Physics paints a wild picture. No fixed stage, but a dynamic, observer-shaped illusion. We're part of a participatory cosmos. So what does this mean for you? Embrace the mystery, question reality, but live fully in this illusion. If this blew your mind, comment, simulation or base reality. Subscribe for more physics deep dives, turn on notifications, and share. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Peace out.